Hi, I'm Wyatt, and I made a 3D printer filament dryer as my project. Some special 3D printer filaments, such as TPU or wood-infused filaments, like to absorb water from the air. That causes issues when printing because the water boils as it leaves the nozzle, and it gives poor results, stringy, doesn't stick together that well. So people have used these filament dryers. You can buy them, but I decided to make my own. The main part of the filament dryer is this nichrome wire coiled up, wrapped around the box. It draws about 30 watts of power and converts it all to heat, which is then moved around the box using the fan. The Arduino controls this relay, which turns on and off the heater, and the temperature is found by this DHT22 sensor. The whole thing is powered by a 15-volt laptop adapter, and I use a buck converter to step down the power to 5 volts to run the Arduino. The coil can get very hot, leading to results like this, where the filament ends up getting ruined. So I made this tray out of wood here that nicely covers all of the electronics and has a spinning plate with a ball bearing so that the filament can be fed directly into the printer as it's being dried. The whole device can be turned on with this single power switch, and then you turn this knob to set the temperature. The target is set at 40 degrees Celsius, and it's at 23 degrees right now. It also reads out the relative humidity of the box and the total amount of time since you turned it on. Now I'll let it sit for a while and get up to temperature. Also programmed in the filament dryer is a safety feature, the thermal runaway cutoff, where if it senses a change in 5 degrees over a time of 10 seconds, it can know that something is wrong with the sensor, so it does not keep on heating the machine in case it can't sense the true temperature. For this demonstration, I've set the cutoff to only 1 degree, so if there's a change of 1 degree in 10 seconds, it will turn off the machine and give a message on the screen. Just like that. Here's the filament dryer working with the printer, feeding the filament straight into it and holding it at a steady 50 degrees Celsius.